Hi, my name is Alyssa Kilala, and I'm going to demonstrate how to use your Sonoline B fetal heart rate monitor by Baby Doppler. This monitor was designed to be able to connect you and your baby from the comfort of your home. This monitor is very reassuring and fun to be able to connect and hear the heartbeat whenever I want to. When you open your product, you will find that there is already a small bottle of ultrasound transmission gel. This will last you about 5 readings, so be sure to order more on the Baby Doppler website. There's also an instruction manual, the probe, and that attaches to the actual heart rate monitor. It's very easy to use, and if you have any questions at all, you can read that instruction manual at any point. Now is the fun part. We're going to start with using the ultrasound transmission gel. I'm going to use quite a bit of the gel on my belly here just to be sure that we get a really accurate reading. The more gel you have, the better chance of finding the baby's heartbeat. There's a power button located right in the middle, and I'm just going to use the probe on my belly here. I can faintly hear the heartbeat right now, but I'm going to keep moving around until I find a strong reading. This can depend on where the baby's laying or how much I had for lunch. As you can see, we've got the baby's heart rate. It's currently determining how fast the baby's heart is going. And any feedback that you hear is the baby kicking. Big kicks. Now you're ready to use your Sonoline B fetal heart rate monitor at home.